Hi everyone, it's Joanna with Remnant.
And we have completed our rental property renovation. We bought this in February. Unfortunately, I've been dragging my feet just a little bit on this property because I had some other things on my plate, but it's finished now. And so it only took about 2 weeks to finish this project, and we've done like some major renovations here on this rental property. We decided to keep the kitchen cabinets and countertops the same, but we did replace the stove and the hood, and we replaced the flooring because the old vinyl flooring was peeling and then it had another layer underneath. And this house had not been renovated since it was purchased. And so we had old nasty carpet in here. We had a water issue upstairs, which has now been fixed, and all the drywall has been replaced. We no longer have a mold issue. We took care of all of that, and we installed laminate flooring throughout to help with the durability of a rental property, because there can be a lot of wear and tear and odors that are sometimes hard to get out of carpet. So let's take a look at what we've done. So we decided to pull the carpet up off of the steps, and we just put a nice dark stain on them and gave them a good coating. In the bathrooms, instead of replacing the vanities, we decided to glaze the tops and then repaint the actual base of the vanity. And that saved us a lot of money, and it looks great too. We also replaced all of the windows with new vinyl replacement windows to keep the property nice and insulated. On the exterior, we painted the front brick a light mint green and added black shutters, and we painted the door black as well as the storm door, giving it a nice color, and I think we're going to be the trendsetters in the neighborhood. As you can see, our neighbor, after we've inspired our neighbors so much that the roof is being fixed next door. As you can see, we are the best looking townhouse on this strip of townhouses, I would say, actually in the entire neighborhood. And what I'm hoping is that by painting this brick, some others that have damaged properties will be inspired to at least make the exterior of their home look good. We've been working with the Homeowners Association that's newly forming here to try to put in some regulations of what people can and cannot do to their homes, just to try to make the neighborhood look good and give it some consistency. So if you have a home that you're looking to sell, give us a call at 804-596-9110. I look forward to working with you.